Hi, this is Elizabeth Johnson with Southern Embellishment. How are you today? Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're making something fun and something beautiful. And I'm here today to share I'm not going to share these with you. This is for the precious lady that I'm swapping with. I'm doing a swap over at FriendlyJunk Journal, and it's for a traveler's notebook. And so I wanted to flip through this real quick and have it archived. And so I was going to share it with you while I did that. So let's get into it. This is how it's going to be packaged for her. And we will open this up and see what we have inside. I love making these traveler's notebook inserts. They're not hard to make. They're a fairly quick project and very useful. I love my traveler's notebook. Love using them for planning, for Bible journaling, for journaling and brain dumping, whatever you like to use it for. To me, they're just the perfect size. They're not huge and they're not overwhelming. They're just the right size for a lot of the writing projects. And this is just a little little letter that I put inside of my things that I make. And so I've entitled this one Simplify. And there's a little textile and button on textile embellishment. My goodness, I can't talk today. Sorry about that. And of course we have this beautiful lace. And a lot of sewing in here. And then I have my card with the date that I made it on. And some tags here. There's a pocket in the front and in the back. And these library cards I just love. So some tags there. There was restrictions or rules to follow, and you had to have so many tags, so many pockets, so many tuck spots. So I filled that plus some. Sorted papers, ledger paper. I did stamping on the pages with the script stamp. And when I do that, I like to use, I believe this was the, let me look real quick. I believe it was the corduroy, the Tim Holtz corduroy ink. I like to use that or the tea dye because it's not, or antique linen, because it's not like so bright that you can't write on it. It gives that background, just that nice background. Here's an Edith Holden page. I am so sorry. I probably should start this video over again, but I'm not going to do it. So bear with my speech problems today. And little Tim Holtz tags from his wallpaper collection. Or, I'm sorry, memorandum collection. These have got more of that script stamping on it. Here's a little tuck spot, which I need to put something in. So let me grab something here. I've got these cards laying here from another project I did. Oh, let's put Queen. Let's be Queen for a day. How about that? Some encyclopedia. And we had to have an envelope. And so instead of doing just a normal envelope, I had this piece of paper in the middle where I sewed the signature in. So I just made this, cut the decorative corners. Let me see if I can get that in the camera. And made this into an envelope. And inside is just another journaling place. But it's a big envelope, so it will hold a lot. Here's a tuck spot up here. Here's a pocket right here, tuck spot pocket. I did three, let me move the 3 fabric tabs on there. I love the fabric, love sewing. Who would have ever thought sewing would be so fun? I always have made clothing and things like that, and curtains, my bedspreads, all of that I make. But I was like, okay, sewing on paper, I can dig it. I love it. It's just different papers. Tuck spot up here, made from book pages and lace. Some vintage. And this is the other side of that Edith Holden, and it was a little short, so I just sewed on a piece of the Wallflower vellum paper. Give it some visual fun there. So that is my Traveler's Notebook for a swap at Friendly Junk Journal. Friendly Junk Journalers, I think is what it is. And then there are these little surprise packages for the lady that I'm swapping with. So I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are awesome. I appreciate it. And have a great day. Make something beautiful. Bye-bye.